Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how commenting works within graphs in Honeycomb and how these comments appear in your reports. By adding comments to specific events, it becomes much easier to understand what happened without needing to investigate it again later. This is a significant time saver, and by using comments effectively, you create a clear and complete report with proper explanations. Starting from the overview page, let's open a measuring point where we want to add a comment. For this demo, we'll go to Demo Swarm Vibration by clicking on View Data. On this page, let's zoom in on a section of the graph where we want to add a comment. Select a specific time range that you want to annotate. Then, click on the arrow tool to make a selection and highlight the part of the graph you want to comment on. Once you've made your selection, you'll see an option at the top called Add Comment. Click on this to open the comment window. Here, you can enter a comment to provide context, for example, explaining why an exceedance occurred or noting that an event needs further investigation. For this demo, I'll enter, checked the exceedance, caused by someone walking past and not considered significant. Then click Add to save the comment. You'll now see a comment indicator displayed on the graph. Click on the comment bubble to open the comment section. Here, you can view the comment, edit or delete it, or reply to it. Comments are visible to you and other users who have access to the project or measuring point. Let's add a reply. We'll continue working. As you can see, it now appears underneath the original comment. Now let's take a look at how comments appear in a report. Open the Export drop-down and select PDF to generate a report of the current view. In the bottom left corner, open the Download Manager and click Download. Once the file is ready, open the report. In the report, you can see that the comment is displayed directly on the graph. If you scroll down, you'll also find the comment listed in a table, along with the relevant timestamps. Comments are also included in automated daily and weekly reports, where they appear in the same format in both graphs and tables, ensuring consistent and clear documentation of your insights. And that's how the commenting system works and how it helps you add context to your data. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Visit our support website for more tutorials and facts.